Where's the worst, smelliest place you've been?
Your house.
Your battle.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Carlos coming back at you with another video. As you can see, I'm with the gang. Got a little mukbang, you feel me? Eating at Sonic. We about to do a little Q&A. Make this shit interesting.
We gotta go around and everybody say what they got.
So, all right, what you got? Cause you already know what you got.
Damn, I got Super Sonic double cheeseburger.
So, are you not going to get it out the bag?
Like staring.
Yo, once I turned the camera on, he got like mad scared.
That's my chicken, my little baby.
Oh, I'm about to say,
there's 4 of us and she only gave us 4 sauces.
Chicken, I see your sauce tuyo.
But yeah,
this is a new chicken sandwich from Sonic. Nigga, you want a big ass.
Oh yeah, get the buzz in.
Big ass, get in tune with this chili cheese fry. Hold on.
As you can see, alright, so everybody.
Hey yo.
Get in tune with this chili.
Oh yeah, let me, the chili.
Hold on. You gotta do it like in the video.
Oh
like
yeah.
Put your hand behind it. There you go. Chili cheese fry,
Alright, so.
Fried ice burger.
Here.
Quesito, dog. Get out of here, bro.
Alright, so we about to introduce what we got, you feel me? I got the 5-piece, the tenders, the fries. Hold up. And to top it off, Oreo cheesecake milkshake.
Feel me? I got this new little baby chicken sandwich that Sonic got. Get into. Looks like a baby Chick-fil-A sandwich.
Look like the microwavable White Castles.
Oh, right.
Alright.
And then I got the chili cheese fries you saw. And I got cranberry limeade. This is actually a new flavor.
Ready?
So it's rocking. Y'all want to try it?
I got a Sonic double cheeseburger.
Alright.
Put your shit already?
No pickles, no onions, no none of that. Only lettuce. Some fries.
Yeah, y'all. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Can I shout out my Instagram?
Turn the post notifications on. Go ahead.
I want y'all to follow me on Instagram, ShayToGoXX. That's SHAY.
Put it up here.
DAGOATXX. Nombre.
Don't forget.
Oh, they're not even.
Everybody go subscribe to my boy Mauro YouTube channel.
MauroDaSavage, you know the
AKA. Yeah. So we about to jump into the first question.
Who is the messiest person you know?
Bro, this man right here.
You being messy by asking that question.
That was honestly a setup, bro. You knew that was gonna happen. That's why he started laughing before he asked it, cause he's like, yeah, they about to say it's me.
Where's the worst, smelliest place you've been?
Your house.
Your battle.
This place I've been. You remember when you stayed on Bergen Street and we used to walk to the pizzeria?
You're talking about like where they used to kill the cows and stuff like that.
Yeah.
That shit I used to hate walking past that shit, walking to school.
We used to go pick up the pizza place. What was it called? Roses? No,
that's Carlos Pizza. No, that's Carmen's Pizza.
Carmen's Pizza. Yeah, right there. You walk past that, be steak. Right.
Yo, this shit's mad thick.
All right, ready?
Like the shorty?
You dig? You eating my fries, bro?
Oh shoot!
Don't do that, bro. Don't. Yo, we gotta start asking. Matter of fact, let me go on my Instagram and see if people ask me.
Oh, baby chicken sandwich.
That shit smell good. I'm not gonna lie.
A chicken sandwich?
Yeah.
I don't smell it. Look how cute it is though. Like it's so little.
We said like a microwave White Castle
You
burger.
into my sandwich?
Oh yeah. Oh, I forgot.
Oh yeah.
It's Mauro's first time and Joshua's first time at Sonic. So, yo, honest opinion.
For a fact, it's not his first time.
It is.
This is the brioche bun.
I've never been here.
How would you rate Sonic?
I give it like a smooth like 8.
8?
Yeah, I give it an 8.
That's respectable.
That's a.
Y'all should smack this man, bro.
Well, you upset?
You'll be the type to say McDonald's is way better than this shit.
Are you stupid?
Yo, say that and get the hell out of my car, bro.
Right.
Yo, y'all trying to put words in my mouth. What's good with y'all?
Nah.
You're the type.
Yeah, he said you're the type.
8. Bro, this shit,
That shit a 10.
Yeah, that shit a 10.
That shit he said
No, this shit, I'm not gonna lie.
10.5. That burger looks something.
That shit like it'll kiss the Big Mac on his forehead.
Bro,
The best burgers I've tried, hands down.
But no cap, this is fast food, so my bad. I ain't mean to interrupt you.
And that's all good. The best burgers I've had, I don't know if you had it before. Five Guys.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Five Guys, yo. Oh my God, their burgers be. And that shit gives the burger like this crazy ass.
You know what my second best burger I've ate though? On some real shit, no cap, no cap. Johnny Rocket. Johnny Rocket's burgers. What's everybody plans for the summer?
I said curfew in New York.
Educate out the wife. Yo, what's up with the questions, bro? Like, we need some funny, interesting questions, bro.
What's your biggest screw up in the kitchen?
What?
What's your biggest screw up in the kitchen?
You setting up a hookah.
Yo.
He said setting up a hookah?
Yo, my biggest screw up, bro. Yo, this is like the donkey of the year, bro. One day, bro, I woke up and I was so hungry, yo. I was trying to make an egg sandwich. Tell me how I forgot to put the butter on the pan.
He said that for
yo, and the egg started, yo, they set on fire, bro. The eggs, yeah. My mom almost killed everybody.
I remember that day.
Oh,
it was in Bergen Street, right?
Bergen Street.
My biggest screw up was that I made ramen noodles, but I didn't put the water in, so those shit was burnt as fuck.
You see, now that's worse than my situation. Like, copyright. Copyright, chill.
Here, but the.
Oh, man.
Yo, he takes the pickles, the ketchup, and the onions off.
I do that too, though. I get mine plain. I get all my burgers from McDonald's. Plain.
Yo. Get
Bro, have you
a
ever
$3 bundle, double cheeseburger, no pickles with Big Mac sauce.
Have you ever seen how much ketchup they get? They literally put the burger under the ketchup thing and go. How the ketchup just goes. Smacks on that shit.
How they do it? How they press the pump down?
How the ketchup just smacks.
Yo, how do you know it's a pump though?
Hey, look, nigga, you ever opened it? It looked like a.
Yo, y'all ever got it with Big Mac sauce and like they just put like Big Mac sauce?
Nobody remembers.
You got it.
Yo, you the only nigga.
He killing my shit, bro. Like what?
No.
The double cheeseburger with Big Mac sauce?
Look.
Nigga, you look like a.
You can't even do it correctly. What do you see yourself doing in the future?
Oh, this is deep. This is the
Get
real
the
one.
buzz.
We're asking about dreams?
Yo, I'm trying to get the buzz.
What do I see myself like? What, like in how many years? Like 5?
Yeah.
All right, so in 5 years, I see myself with my business established, with my own apartment. I might, like, me and Randy, we're talking about like moving in together soon.
That would be dope.
Because you'll be the first one there.
Nigga be on the bitch 20.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, I see myself with my business established. You feel me? Hopefully by then everything is back to normal. Because as people know, we're going through some shit right now. And yeah.
What do you see yourself doing in the future?
Oh, hold on. Before I pass it on, I don't see myself like living here in New Jersey. I mean, hopefully we end up somewhere else that's better. But for right now, like probably Florida or something for a little bit. But yeah, we're going clockwise.
Like no cap. I've been really thinking about I've been really thinking about
Hold on, let me.
going to school for dental assisting.
Under the chair, please.
Okay, go ahead.
Dental
Talk your shit.
assistant?
Yeah, I wanted to go back to school for dental assisting. It's something I've always like wanted to do. So I'm about to get serious about that. But I got some other shit cooking up on the side. And y'all just gonna have to wait and see. Cause when I pop, get your elbow.
Oh, sorry.
Cause now when I pop out with this next business move that I got coming, y'all gonna be like, what? And I'm gonna be like, yes, sir. And then everybody gonna eat straight like that. You feel me? Yeah.
Mauro.
Like he said, somewhere outside of Jersey. Like,
Mauro, what you see yourself doing in like 5 years?
Oh man, talk that shit.
I see myself as a graphic designer and a gamer.
AKA?
Start out this awesome shit. Start making shirts.
Oh yeah.
You remember me? Awesome headquarters coming soon. Just saying, is in the works.
actually, like, follow the Awesome Headquarter page.
Facts.
We got some good shit coming.
Nah, but for the people that don't know what Awesome is, we came up with it, us right here. Our little family group right here.
Randy.
Oh yeah, and Randy and Sergio too, but they're not here.
Yeah.
Randy didn't want to come because he's being a turkey. But what it is, it's almost like a platform. Like every single one of us has a different talent. So what Awesome is like we put all our talents together into one group, and then we showcase our talent. Everyone here has their own talent, but we're not gonna get into detail unless you guys want to. But That's
I'm still working.
Yeah, like you feel me? My boy over here, future barber, in the works, graphic designer, Shayla with the cooking. I mean,
with the cooking. And
just saying.
I talk a lot. I'm also gonna be. I'm working on
I'm
starting my
also funny.
own YouTube channel. With I have bomb ass story time. I got bomb ass story time.
She got story for days. That's why I said
I do the best mukbangs. Like I'm telling you. Like,
oh no, and you also had the thing about the it's almost like a podcast, but like you're under the influence, right?
Oh
like,
yeah, and I also want to do a podcast of like people under the influence. Like if you smoke weed, you know what I'm saying, you could smoke. You know, we can't smoke on camera, but you know we're gonna be under the influence, talking about topics.
Just talking about
also,
crazy shit.
If you don't smoke, you could drink. And you know, we just be talking about, you know what I'm saying, people's minds under the influence. It's all coming. It's all, y'all just stay tuned, yo.
And then of course,
real, stay tuned.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, these questions are whack, bro. Let me go on my Instagram, see if people like actually commented on my thing. Ready? So I got one question. When you dropping part 2 of the vlog? For my DR vlog.
Yo, I thought it was something different.
I'm gonna answer it though. Nah, it's a Q&A, so I gotta answer it. Get part 1 to 50 likes, and I'll drop the part 2. Cause the first one was fire.
People are wildin'. No cap.
Now you ever seen the movie though?
Nah. That's why I'm laughing.
That's why you give me the face, bro. That was a funny ass joke.
But you thought your viewers were gonna laugh?
I only get like 20 viewers on my shit. It's a start though, nigga.
When he gets like 100.
Exactly, you be capping.
Nah, yeah, I be capping. I'm capping right now.
This is the question is, do they like and subscribe?
Yo, I began like 500 views, and nobody subscribes. What's up with that?
Yo, shit. He appreciates all of the people that do support, that do like, comment, subscribe, all that. The ones that tell your friends.
The people that shout me out on Instagram as well too.
Y'all really keep showing. You know what I'm saying? Everybody else will follow, but y'all really
keeping it afloat right now.
Yeah, y'all keeping
so
it. So
shout out to everybody that keeps showing love. For real.
This is really inspiring me to really start my own YouTube.
I told you, bruh.
Dale.
Hasta aquí llegamos, señores.
Alright, yo. So get this video to 50 likes, and I'll drop another one with the gang with my brother here as well. You feel me? Y'all want to say anything before we end the video?
Like, comment, subscribe.
Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Y nos chequeamos para la próxima. Nos chequeamos.
Yo, make sure y'all subscribe. I'ma holla at you on the next one. Yeah, dig.
808 with stick. Get these raps and make these beats whatever goes. Don't know nobody, only got love for my bros. I can't break the law, I gotta go sit to the code. I can